Welcome to another session of Grey Matter, the platform where we discuss issues to do with the elderly. I was passionate about medicine, so I've always wanted to be a doctor. I have 25 years of experience looking after the elderly. I am UK registered and licensed.
A good care home will minimize the type of abuse or number of abuses that come to place or come to act to the barest minimum.
Saying she had to lock her mother in every day when she's going to work.
I remember, an untrained carer would not know the best time for mama to get up, to take her meds, what to eat, what not to eat.
For me, it was a positive thing because out of the 3 care homes that were recommended to her, Graceful Heritage was recommended twice.
We have a 16-unit CCTV that covers practically everywhere. A good care home must have good and qualified care assistants or support workers.